This is a leaf blower, and this is a flamethrower, and that is about to become the perfect crust on a sous vide steak. Hi, I'm Ross, and today on The Gastronomer, we're playing with fire in the name of science and cooking. Stick around and I'll show you, but don't try this at home. If you're new to sous vide cooking, you may want to go and check out the sous vide primer that I've linked to in the description below. But even if you're a sous vide veteran, you'll know that getting the perfect crust on a sous vide steak is quite possibly the home chef's albatross. On something like, say, chicken or even pork, a few pretty grill marks and a firm outer exterior is more than passable. But on a steak, well, I may be primitive, but there's something to me about meat and char from the fire that tells me I'm eating well, and that the mammoth isn't going to invade my tribe and eat my family. The key to a good charred crust is twofold. Number one, dry meat is good meat. If our meat is wet, the energy from the searing heat we apply will work to boil that water and steam our meat. And if you've ever had steak from a steam table in a college dorm, you know that, well, blah. With dry meat, however, this searing heat will, well, sear the meat. That is, it will cause the proteins and sugars on the exterior of the meat to brown through what's called the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that gives brown foods their signature nutty or toasted flavor. So if a dry exterior is priority one, using blazing hot heat to quickly char the exterior is priority two. The more heat we use, the quicker we'll get that char on the outside, and the quicker we get the char on the outside, the less will change the doneness of the inside. I've cooked my steak to a rare 130 degrees, and as much as possible, I want my steak to stay rare on the inside. So dry meat plus hot heat equals steak perfection. Leaf blower, flamethrower. Flamethrower, leaf blower. This is how you finish your sous vide steak, turning it up to 11. All right, time to gear up. Safety is the #1 priority. Let's do it. Okay, so it's time to cut and eat. Let's see what we got. Oh, fantastic. Good. Big mouthful. It tastes fantastic. And you can see I've got a nice crust on the top, and it's nice and rare to medium rare on the inside. So I know what you're thinking. You don't have a leaf blower and you don't have a flamethrower. Well, not to worry. The goal here is to get the steak as dry as possible, as I said before, and use as high a heat as possible. Worst case scenario, dry the meat off with a paper towel, or consider using a hair dryer if you have one. For a good char, use a cast iron skillet, the hottest grill you can muster, or the broiler of an oven in a pinch. Some people use a propane or MAP gas torch, and if you got one, well, Go crazy. Just remember, dry meat plus hot heat equals good eat. Oh, I can't say that? No, I guess it's trademarked. All right, well, I'm Ross, you're watching The Gastronomer. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing. Enjoy.